Hello, how are you? I hope you will be fine. The question is NPR is equal to n minus 1 PR plus R n minus 1 PR minus 1. This is question of probability. Now, solution is n PR is equal to n minus 1 PR plus R n minus 1 P R minus 1. Now by using right hand side, now is equal to n minus 1 P R plus n minus 1 R n minus 1 P R minus 1. Now by using formula n PR is equal to n factorial over n minus R factorial. We will use this formula. Then it is equal to n minus 1 factorial over n minus 1 minus R factorial. And the second one is R n minus 1 factorial over n minus 1 minus R minus 1 factorial. Now this is equal to n minus 1 factorial over n minus 1 minus R factorial plus R n minus 1 factorial over n minus 1 minus R plus 1 factorial. Plus 1 is cancelled with minus 1. Then it is equal to n minus 1 factorial over n minus 1 minus R factorial. Now plus R n minus 1 factorial over n minus R factorial by rearranging. Now by using, if there is 5 factorial, we can write it 5 into 4 factorial. Using this n minus 1 factorial over n minus 1 minus R factorial plus R n minus 1 factorial over now n minus R n minus R minus 1 factorial. We have used this formula here. Now we taking common n minus 1 factorial over n minus R minus 1 factorial, taking common, then is equal to n minus 1 factorial over n minus r minus 1 factorial. Here 1 plus r over n minus r. Now taking LCM, n minus 1 factorial over n minus r minus 1 factorial. Here n minus r plus r. Now it becomes this r is cancelled with this, n minus 1 factorial over n minus r minus 1 factorial into n over n minus r. Now it becomes n minus 1 factorial over n minus r minus 1 factorial. Now we use a formula here. If there is 5 into 4 factorial, then we can write it 5 factorial, or n minus 1 factorial is equal to n factorial. Now here n factorial over n minus r factorial is equal to n pr is equal to left hand side. Thanks.